I'm the only gay Eskimo. I'm the only one I know. I'm the only gay Eskimo in my tribe. I go out seal hunting with my best friend Tarka, but all I want to do is get into his parka. I'm the only gay Eskimo in my tribe. Well, me and Nuckfluck Chuckbuck, we both like blubber, but me, I've got this crazy fetish for rubber. I'm the only gay Eskimo in my tribe. I make a wish on the northern lights that I could find a decent pair of whaleskin tights. I'm the only gay Eskimo in my tribe. And the seals, they sing now. These cold winter nights are taking their toll. I even get excited when I see the North Pole. See the North Pole. I'm the only gay Eskimo. Only gay Eskimo. I'm the only one I know. The only one I never. I'm the only gay Eskimo in my tribe. Now, like the Proclaimers would sing it. I'm the only gay Eskimo. Well, I'm the only one I know. Well, I'm the only gay Eskimo in my tribe. Like Bob Dylan. I'm the only gay Eskimo. I'm the only one I know. I'm the only gay